Have you ever felt like trading is not the kind of game for you? You're not so good at trading. It's not working out for you. Something's not happening. I don't know why I'm not able to make profit. Have you ever felt this way before? If you have, then you're probably making one of these 5 common mistakes. In this video, we will be diving into the top 5 swing trading mistakes that people make. We will discuss how you can overcome these mistakes and boost your trading game. Welcome back to Yamini Swing Trader. I'm Yamini Prabhu. I'm going to be your guide in this trading journey. Swing trading can be a total game changer if done correctly. Be alert because there are many common pitfalls. So let's jump right into the video now. Mistake number 1. Not having a trading plan. Swing trading without a trading plan is like driving blindfolded. You won't have any idea where you're going, and the worst part is you won't even know how to get there. Remember, failing to plan is like planning to fail. Mistake number 2. Ignoring market trends. Swing traders are trend followers, not trend ignorers. You have to pay attention to the overall direction of the market. If it's a stock, you have to understand what is the primary trend in which the stock is moving. You have to understand whether the stock is bullish or if it is bearish. Ignoring trend analysis and trading against the trend can bring significant losses. Always trade in the direction of the trend, and that is the kind of trade which will bring you guaranteed success. This mistake can be a huge one. If you don't do proper capital preservation, you won't have any capital to trade with. So risk management is absolutely mandatory. You have to have some strategy to do risk management, otherwise trading is not the game for you. Here are some tips for risk management. Always try to use stop loss orders, and always, risk only a small percentage of your capital on any given trade. Proper risk management is the only key to winning in the markets. Mistake number 4. Letting emotions drive your trades. Remember, fear and greed are the worst enemies, and there are 2 more. One is overconfidence and the other is doubt. There are 4 emotions which are your major enemies. Let me repeat. The first one is fear, greed, and then you have overconfidence, and the last one is doubt. Mostly traders will find themselves, shuffling between these 4 types of emotions in the market. How do you avoid this? Just stick to your plan, understand why you got into a trade before you make any changes to your positions. Don't let yourself emotionally be carried away by short-term movements of the market, because the market will be volatile in shorter time frames. But the time frame in which you are trading at, that is what is important. Don't let yourself deviate from that. Last tip to avoid emotional trading is always try to understand, be self-aware of your emotions. Try to understand what you're feeling at any given point of time during the trade. Mistake number 5. Don't take too many trades than you really want to, because sometimes people think that if you take a lot of trades, you're going to make more profit. But that's not the case. Quality of your trades is more important than the quantity of the trades which you take. Focus on high probability trade setups instead of having the urge to take a trade every now and then. As in, when you find small opportunities, don't try jumping into it. The last tip which I'm going to give for you in this video is always review your trades. Try to understand where you went wrong, what you did right, so that you don't repeat the same mistakes again in the next following trades. So there you have it. Those are the 5 common trading mistakes that people make when it comes to trading. I'm going to do a quick recap of all the 5 common pitfalls that people fall into. Number 1, they have no trading plan. There is a lack of trading plan. Number 2, they ignore the market trends. Number 3, they have poor risk management. Number 4, they do emotional trading. And lastly, number 5, they do over trading. more than what is required in the market. If you can avoid these 5 common mistakes, trust me, you're on your way to becoming a successful stock market trader. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends who are traders. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's build a community of successful, smart swing traders just like you. Until next time, happy trading.